Did you know that Boston once experienced the stickiest disaster in American history? Picture this. It's 1919 and you're walking through Boston's North End on a perfectly normal January day. Suddenly, you hear a loud crack, then a rumble. Then, a wall of molasses comes rushing toward you. That's exactly what happened when a massive tank holding 2.3 million gallons of molasses exploded without warning. The sticky brown wave stood 25 feet tall and moved at 35 miles per hour through the streets. Now, you might think molasses moves slowly, but this wasn't your grandmother's pancake syrup. This was an unstoppable force of sugary destruction that trapped people, horses, and buildings in its path. 21 people died and 150 were injured in what became known as the Great Molasses Flood. The cleanup took weeks, and here's the kicker. Locals swore they could still smell molasses in the air on hot summer days for decades afterward. Boston literally couldn't escape the sweet smell of disaster